assegniamo il premio Master al Tamer Institute for Community Education per il coraggio, la coerenza e lo spirito con cui da oltre 30 anni promuove la lettura, la scrittura e la libera espressione tra bambini, ragazzi e giovani in Palestina, impiegando i libri come strumenti di crescita, dialogo e libertà. Attraverso la sua missione Towards a Free and Safe Palestinian Learning Society, il Tamer Institute ha saputo creare spazi di apprendimento e comunità culturali in cui le parole diventano ponti e la lettura un atto di speranza. Il Tamer Institute è stato capace di costruire, mediante biblioteche, campagne di promozione della lettura, laboratori di scrittura e pubblicazioni per l'infanzia, una rete viva di educazione e partecipazione che sostiene la creatività e la voce delle nuove generazioni, rafforzando il loro ruolo nella costruzione di una società più libera e consapevole. Un riconoscimento a chi, in un contesto molto difficile, continua a credere nella forza dei libri e dell'immaginazione come strumenti di libertà, identità e rinascita. Renad Kubai, direttrice generale del Tamer Institute, ha voluto ringraziarci da Ramallah con un breve video.
Hello from Palestine. This is Renad Kubbaj, the General Director of Tamer Institute for Community Education. I would like to begin by expressing our sincere gratitude to the Master's Program in Publishing at the Catholic University of the Sacred Heart and to the European Research Center on Books, Publishing and Libraries for nominating and selecting us at Tamer Institute for the Master Publishing Profession Award for Publishing Excellence. We are deeply honored to receive the award, especially in these critical times. This recognition reaches us as a reminder that the world still listens and that Palestinian voices, especially those of children and youth, are not forgotten. Our children need to know that their words matter and their stories continue to travel beyond borders, and that the global community stands with them in their struggle for dignity, freedom, and life. These values underpin our efforts at Tamer Institute. Tamer Institute was established in Jerusalem during the First Intifada in response to the Palestinian Society's urgent need for effective means to support learning and publishing. Since its founding, Tamer Institute has been driven by a vision to build a free and safe Palestinian learning society, in addition to creating spaces where children and youth can express themselves. Tamer also runs its own publishing unit, where we publish works by both established writers as well as children and young adults, and we translate children's and young adults' books from around the world. Tamer Institute is committed to publishing 20 works annually, and we distribute them freely across schools and community libraries. We view our literary and publishing efforts as means to strengthen the role of storytelling in education. It reminds us that stories are not a luxury, but a necessity for survival and emancipation. After all, expressing emotions constitutes half the journey towards personal and communal healing. The other half lies in producing and sharing these expressions with the world. Thank you again. Thank you for listening.